To start making the popcorn from scratch, you need 2 cups of popcorn, which is about 400 grams. To that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of neutral oil, like canola oil or sunflower oil. Mix that well. To the stove we go. On high heat, place your pot or skillet to heat it up. Then add in your mixture. Close the lid and let it cook for about 5 to 15 minutes, depending on your popcorn. A better guide would be when the pops start to wind down, and the time between each pop is less than before. That's a good time to take it off the heat. If that seems too much work, then you can definitely go with the microwaved option. Just make sure you choose the non-flavored one, so basically plain popcorn. Reduced sodium is better. Get your oven tray ready by lining it up with some tin foil and parchment paper so that the caramel does not stick. Spread that evenly. Set your oven temperature to 100 degrees Celsius or 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to make the caramel. On a medium to low heat, add in your saucepan. Then melt in 2 sticks of butter, which is about 200 grams. Once your butter has melted, add in 2 cups of brown sugar, which is about 400 grams. Make sure that you add the brown sugar gradually, in stages. Then add in half a cup of corn syrup, which is about 180 grams. You can use any corn syrup you have, the clear or the dark. Then add in half a teaspoon of salt. Mix all those ingredients well. Make sure that while you're mixing, the sugar has dissolved. Let that mixture boil for at least 5 minutes. After boiling, turn off the heat and take it out. While still hot, add in a dash of vanilla, followed by a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix in the baking soda well. Then pour in your mixture all over the popcorn. I would recommend pouring half of the mixture first, mix that in, and then add in the other half before taking it to the oven. Now you can take it to the oven and bake for 15 minutes at 100 degrees centigrade, which is about 220 degrees Fahrenheit. After the 15 minutes, take it out of the oven and continue mixing and folding the popcorn, making sure it doesn't stick into one giant block. Try to separate it as best as you can. Continue this process 4 more times. The other 15 minutes, out, mix and break. Wait for it to cool down. And now you can serve your popcorn. And that was our homemade caramel popcorn. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos with your friends who like popcorn.